Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to store crypto safely, this is the correct way to create a Trust Wallet from scratch. First of all, go ahead and download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store. In App Store, go ahead and search for the Trust Wallet app and then make sure to download it from there. Once downloaded, open it. Then you're going to tap to create a new wallet and create a passcode. Enter your passcode, be sure to remember it so you can unlock your wallet. Next, you're going to do all the credentials that the app asks you to do, and that's it. This is how you can create a Trust Wallet. You're going to agree to the terms and choose multi-coin wallet. Trust Wallet will show you a recovery page. Then, once confirmed your wallet is created and ready to use, your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet. Never share it, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick